Hi you guys, it's Lynnea for LDRS Creative, and today I'm using some products from the brand new August release. This release is so awesome, but I especially love this garden wreath die. This is a two-piece die set, and the inner piece cuts out a really intricate wreath shape, and then the outer die you can use it with or without that intricate piece. I'm going to leave them attached for this card, but you can detach them, and when you cut these pieces, if you don't use that second die, the wreath shape is going to be one piece of your card front. So I cut both of these together so the wreath shape actually cuts out, but if I hadn't used that outer piece, the wreath shape would still be stuck inside of my card front. It wouldn't come out and you could do a cute little peek through card. So I wanted to use this garden wreath card to create an autumn themed card. So I'm going to use some of my LDRS Creative Hybrid ink cubes. I'm starting here with Dandelion, which is an awesome yellow. I use it for everything. I did ink blending with that dandelion all over the wreath, and then I'm coming in on the edges in the middle, and then I will go around the outside with In Your Face Orange. Now, I originally was not going to keep this negative piece, the piece that I cut the wreath from, but I decided to keep it, and so I grabbed some Kiss Me Red and ink blended from the inside out with that red. And right now I'm using iced tea ink around the edges, but I didn't like it. Right now it kind of blended with that red and made like a peachy color, and it is gorgeous. I love it, but it was looking too springy for me. So I actually went over this again with more In Your Face Orange and then another layer of the Kiss Me Red, just to really make those autumn colors pop. So this is the new Sweater Weather paper pad. Such awesome colors and fall themed papers in this paper pack. So I am going through and I'm deciding what I want to use as my background for this. And I went back and forth between this green with the trees. I love this paper and I'm going to use it on another project because I love it so much. But I did end up deciding to go with the wood grain. I thought that really lended itself with the colors of the orange and the yellow. I thought it just looks good to me. So I grabbed the Cardinal Seasons stamp set. And there's this sentiment in there that I really love, and I think that it could go with this fall themed card or a Christmas greeting. You know, there's so many greetings that can go either way. So I grabbed this, I centered it up in the center of my wreath. I'm using my watermark ink pad, and then I will use the LDRS Creative white embossing powder to emboss this sentiment in the center of my wreath. And it says, "Wishing you a season of love and laughter." I added some glitter, and that will complete this card. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!